Hi boys and girls, Mrs. G coming to you from her kitchen counter, and I wanted to show you a little video about my kettle. And this kettle is going to turn water into boiling water, and we're going to see some of the water cycle. We can already see some of it. Look at that. We have accumulation and some evaporation that's happened onto the side of the glass. We have the water collected there in the bottom. I'm going to turn it on and we're going to watch what happens to the water as it starts to heat. Did you see that? Do you see the water molecules moving? It is heating up. Our water is dancing. We still have condensation up there at the top and accumulation. Oh look, it's starting to run down the side. It's raining in there. It's precipitation. Look, there it goes. How cool is that? We have a water cycle right in this tea kettle. The water's starting to move even more. The heat is making it dance faster and faster. The temperature is rising in there. It's starting to bubble and boil. Our condensation has really decreased. It's started to run back down into the collection. Oh, there's some bubbles forming. The bubbles are filled with what? What's happening? Look, even more as it's heating up. I'm going to pull away from it because it's going to start, something else is going to start to happen. Okay, we're bubbling, we're getting close to boiling. Bubbles are forming. The water is dancing. Look at the heat, the condensation. I'm getting even more condensation. Oh, I wonder, can you see anything leaving the top? Oh, a little bit. It's kind of shadowy. Now you can see it a little bit better. If you look at the coffee machine, because it's a darker color, you can see that it's starting to steam. The water vapor is rising because it's being heated. So that's what the sun does to our earth. When we have accumulation on the bottom, it boils up the water so that it evaporates into the air as steam. Yes, it's hot over there. We have to be really careful because sometimes steam is, well, not sometimes, steam is actually warmer than the water that's in here. And if we put our hand over steam, we can get badly hurt. So we need to be careful whenever we see steam. But how cool is that? I'm going to do something else. I'm going to get a mug and I'm going to pour it into the mug to see the steam a little bit more. Just one moment, okay?